फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द कवर मैंने कवर सबके बीवी डीपीज पर और फेसबुक डीपी पर देख लिया था ऑलरेडी. फील्स ग्रेट टू होल्ड द जिंग इन माय हैंड्स इंस्टेड ऑफ इट बीइंग ऑन माय फोन where I used to open it all the time and read. I love the online version also because it was very accessible. I could just sit and read anywhere. But this is amazing. It's nice to have you all here. And Vijay and Dolly again, great friends. Congratulations on Zing. I really like the fashion issue that is there in the middle. I really like it. This is very interesting, the cockroach. But still, I think the style one takes full marks from me.
या फिर ब्लिंग है या फिर जिंग है. And I want to congratulate India Forums for their first publication of Zing.
मैंने अभी तक जो भी देखा मुझे सब पसंद आया, तो किसी एक चीज़ का नाम लेना तो बड़ा टिपिकल है, बट हाँ एक सेगमेंट मैं सीरियसली अप्रिशिएट करूँगी, चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज जो है. शायद एक्टर्स को अपनी चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज याद करने का भी समय नहीं मिलता.
Honestly, it's very exciting to actually see that this magazine is in and on paper and not just online, because I've heard a lot about Zing and I always wanted to feature on Zing as the cover page, but somehow we couldn't match with the timings and all, so hope to see me on the magazine cover soon. First, I'm going to see Sanaya Irani because she's my very good friend.
Hi, this is Nakul Mehta.
और मेरे साथ है आज Zing magazine. I'm told this is a very, very popular magazine, and I think the cover looks beautiful. The girl on it is quite lovely.
India Forums has come up with something really great by bringing up this issue, which was online till now, Zing magazine.
I would like to wish all the very best. मेरी हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं हैं. पढ़कर मैं गदगद हो गया हूँ. पढ़कर ऐसा लगा जैसे मैंने अपना मनपसंद खाना भरपूर पेट खाया है.
I just saw it. मुझे तो बहुत अच्छी लग रही है. I'm looking forward to reading it.
Yeah, it's nice. It's really looking very nice. Like very good print, you know.
I feel the newness of a book when I used to read in school. जब नई क्लास में जाती थी, नए बुक्स देखती थी तो मैं खोल के सूंघती थी. I'm feeling the same because it's so new. It's giving that new smell.
जब मैं छोटी थी तब मैं स्टार्टर्स वगैरह देखती थी और मैं सोचती थी कि ऐसे कब होगा. मतलब आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि टेलीविज़न के लिए स्पेशली मैगजीन है.
Obviously, it will be a very great feeling if I'm featured in Zing magazine, क्योंकि especially on the cover page, because it's all been on like 8 years online and it's coming up with the print edition. So obviously it's going to be very nice. And if I get a chance now, तो obviously नया Zing magazine release हुआ है and I'll be the front page on the front page. So obviously I'll be excited and happy as well.
Crystal is looking sizzling hot. I would love to be featured in it. I would want to see myself in it as well. By looking at it, I really want to. It's quite an appealing thing.
Really very fiery effect. I love this fiery effect. I want to do something to do that. But I want to see myself on it.
I'd love to do it. I'd love to be on it. I'd love to be on the cover page, end page, everywhere.
Always feels good whenever you see yourself wherever. I mean, whether it is in one small column in a newspaper or wherever, it definitely feels good. And in the first issue, so I'm feeling very, very, very good.
What I like about this is that it's strictly on TV people, you know. Bits and pieces, बहुत बार ऐसे होते हैं कि bits and pieces TV के डाल देते हैं and then they are back to their movies, but this is truly a TV magazine and I'm sure I'm going to read it every month.
Today I have this magazine Zing with me, जिसमें हम सब हैं. इनफैक्ट मैं भी हूँ. जितने भी टेलीविज़न स्टार्स हैं सब इस मैगज़ीन में हैं. दिस इज़ देयर फर्स्ट एडिशन एंड इंडिया फोरम्स का ही ये स्टेप है मैगज़ीन्स की तरफ. सो आई विश देम ऑल द बेस्ट एंड I wish that in every edition I am there in one of the pages. All the best. Thank you so much for this.
ये टोटली एक कंप्लीट मैगजीन है जो कि टेलीविज़न बेस्ड है, इंफॉर्मेटिव है, बड़े अच्छे आर्टिकल्स हैं, बड़ी खूबसूरत तस्वीरें हैं. दिस मैगजीन इज़ फॉर द यंगस्टर्स. मेरी उम्र को जाने दीजिए, दिल से मैं बहुत जवान हूँ, दिल से मैं टीनेजर हूँ. सबसे अच्छी बात ये है कि तमाम यंगस्टर्स की तस्वीरें हैं, बडिंग स्टार्स की तस्वीरें हैं, उनके बारे में, उनके बचपन के बारे में. और हमें यकीनन किसी ऐसी मैगज़ीन की ज़रूरत है जो टोटली जिसकी वाबस्तगी टीवी से हो.
Guys, I am here holding this first printed edition of Zing magazine and earlier it was online और I think इसमें से शायद एक कवर पेज मैंने भी किया था ऑनलाइन का. यहाँ पे कहीं फोटोग्राफ भी होगा. So I was also a part of it once upon a time and I've done the cover for it and it's a very good thing that these guys have started now print edition and we'll get to know each and everything about what's happening in television and especially you know the magazines are very famous for writing controversies कि किसकी लाइफ में क्या हो रहा है और क्या नहीं हो रहा है और क्यों हो रहा है. So I think it's a very good initiative taken by India Forums. They started the Zing magazine.
This is the first magazine. It was online before, but अब ये print होकर आई है. So it's a television magazine. Do buy it, and you'll really like it. See the cover; it's so good. From inside also, it's very nice.
I'm very excited to see this क्योंकि इसमें television के जो सब बड़े actors हैं उनकी interviews है, photographs है, and I think it'll be very interesting to read it. तो अगर आप लोग इस magazine को खरीद सकते हैं तो ज़रूर खरीदिए क्योंकि मुझे तो free मिली है. तो मैं तो इसे घर लेके जाने वाला हूँ. पर you should buy it and read it because I think it's a very promising magazine.
I like the magazine. Yeah. It's a very nice magazine. Of course, it just gets better because it's the first edition with my very beautiful postcard. I really like this picture. It's the sweetest picture. You know, I mean, Crystal is just in her own element. So I think this is a sweeter picture of her. बाकी तो ये ज़्यादा थोड़ी sexy सुक्सी types हैं तो मेरे को नहीं अच्छी लगती इतनी. This is like Crystal's trying to be very, I'm very sexy. But she forgets that she's actually very cute, she's not sexy. So we like her as well.
I feel very special. I think, you know, being the first one on a print edition of a magazine, this is my first time on a magazine cover in the first place. And to top that, it's the first magazine edition of Zing and I feel very privileged and thank you so much Zing, the entire team. It was so much fun shooting with them. I remember going after my pack up one day and we actually shot till say 3 in the morning, but it was a lot of fun.
Someday I want to remove these dice and play Ludo with you. Dice on her sleeves! Damn good, yeah, damn good stuff. In fact, you know, I know this might just sound weird, but I like the quality of paper that's used, even for the cover, as to how you present a magazine. And when you've got such a good quality magazine cover, in terms of paper, it just becomes more attractive to be picked up.
I think the fans have seen me as Jayika, have seen a little bit of Crystal. This shoot was about Greek goddesses and I am not a goddess, I'm a princess.
बड़ा अच्छा initiative है. I think Dolly has done a very good job with coming out with this, and India Forums has come a really long way. Almost, I think it's been 4 years since I have been seeing and following India Forum, and they finally come out with a magazine in such a short time. I think it's a very good job done by all of you, and just wish you all the best. And if there is a cover you'll do with Sunny Leone, I would like to be a part of it.
My favorite in this magazine has to be this. He's there and how? It's a huge picture of him. Number 1.
in this magazine. Not even me. No chance.
Really appreciate the cover of it and the pages. There's really glossy and interesting pages, and you've made it more lively and attractive with the photos and with the glossy covers of it, and writing on the big columns and the small columns, and differentiating with each part of it. And this time it's my elder sister Jivika on the cover page and looking like a diva. That's really cool.
First of all, congratulations for your Think magazine. It's lovely. I mean, it's your first magazine, and I wish you luck.
I'm really happy कि Zing magazine अब it's come out in a hard copy.
The magazine is really nice. The work done by India Forums, I think it's very fresh, innovative, creative, and my lot of friends have been featured in the magazine, so I'm like jealous. Anyways,
I really like Crystal, and I think she's a perfect model face.
It looks fantastic. It looks fabulous, and मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि congratulations Zing कि आप लोग you've moved on from being just print to just online to print. You look fab, Crystal. You look fabulous.
Section and about the cockroaches and all. I think that's good humor, and it's a clean magazine. That's the nice thing about it.
I would just want to wish everybody, and especially Zing, all the best and congratulations to come on board. I know you're gonna do awesomely well.
So congratulations India Forum for your new initiative.
All the best.
Way to go, Zing!
Way to go, Zing!
Way to go, Zing magazine.
All the best, Zing.
Way to go, Zing!
I love Zing. Ta-da.
All the best.
All the best and God bless.
Way to go, Zing!
Way to go, Zing.
अभी इसका ये फर्स्ट कवर आया है, फर्स्ट एडिशन आया है. इसके बाद 100 आएगा, उसके बाद इसका 500 आएगा, 1000 आएगा, 10,000 आएगा. और यही कहूँगा कि इब्तिदाई इश्क है रोता है क्या, इब्तिदाई इश्क है रोता है क्या, आगे आगे देखिए होता है.